contact with the bait. But whales are not delicate feeders, and besides, it's hot here.
Yes, here.
And it's about to get hotter.
That's taking line, that's taking line. That's taking line.
This is my first super-sized Spanish whales,
Get a bit of speed on.
and immediately it feels seriously big.
It's physical stuff. Whoa. Serious burst from that fish when it first took. It's actually taking line when I struck. My forearm is almost cramping up. So good sign. We've got the fish, and that is a big fish. If I can lean him back. Yeah. I'll move you on the other side.
These Spanish whales are hunting in broad daylight. They really are breaking their programming. And these fish even seem used to being handled. My first fish is 140 pounds and measures 6 foot 9 inches. If these fish are putting on 10 pounds a year, then in 20 years, this already massive creature could weigh as much as 340 pounds, more than double its present size. And if they do live until 80 years, I'll let you do the maths. The only thing that will restrict them is food. But there is one food supply here that is in huge quantities: other catfish. The whales is not just a man-eater, it's a cannibal.
I was fishing on the upper lake last year with 3 gentlemen, and we hooked a fish. It vomited, it was sick. This fish was about 160 pounds. I returned